Hi, I'm Nick Ross for iTWire. Today I'm with Milestone Systems. Can you tell us who you are and what do you do, please?
Yes, I'm Morton Illum. I am the Chief Revenue Officer for Milestone globally, and I'm here today together with Jordan to open up our new office and our customer experience center.
And for those who don't know, can you tell us about Milestone Systems?
Well, Milestone System is a global leading VMS provider. We've been in the market for more than 25 years and have served customers around the globe. We are a global company represented in a majority of countries around the globe. We are a Danish-based company with HQ in Copenhagen, where also I am sitting. And we are not only providing a very strong VMS solution, we are also very known for being open, meaning that we are very tightly connected to our partners. We are serving and have a software principle of being open to other manufacturers, meaning that we work with whoever is best for our customers. That's a mandate for us.
You're opening new offices and an experience center in Melbourne today. Can you tell us more about that, please?
I don't know, Jordan.
Sure. So over the last 7 odd years that I've been at Milestone, we've had pretty enormous growth. And over that journey, we've also seen a real evolution. And I think the market has as well, where we've moved from, being a VMS provider to becoming, AI contributors and facilitators. We've also seen trends around integrations with community partners like access control vendors, IT companies providing hardware to provide compute and storage. And really, today's opening is about really showcasing a lot of that capability, bringing it into one space and ensuring that our end user customers, our partners, and the community around us have an environment that they can come and showcase the best in breed on what Milestone can offer when it aggregates all of these pieces together. If we go back 7 or 8 years, we were really focused on showcasing the feature set of XProtect. And over that time, it's become very much an integrated world. It's become very much a partnership-based world. And I think we all know not one company can be masters in every domain. And Milestone really prides itself on being the trusted leader in high quality, very reliable product that many customers around the globe use for extraordinarily large deployments. And it's that trust that we really maintain in the highest regard. We then trust our community partnerships to build bleeding edge technology, the technology that's going to enable new scenario capability, new scenario or business problem solving capability over time. So this experience center is very much around creating, visibility into some of those solutions, into some of those scenarios that are real world problems that our customers all around the globe are experiencing. So it's a bit of a pivot from feature to scenario and solution.
Tell us some of the more interesting ways the market's using your technology.
Do you want to take the first one, or do you like?
Yeah, but I think it really depends on what vertical and what segment you're looking at, right? I think what Milestone is extremely good at is we're extremely good at solving customer problems, right? Customer pain points. So we are, as the demand for video surveillance and video technology is evolving, we are evolving right in front of that, right? So we are the enablers of the next wish, if you can put it this way. So let me give you an example. You can use video technology with Milestone VMS to operate safely an environment. But we can do more than just monitor. We can also analyze and act on the data. We can take the data out. We can use it to prevent things. So I think what our solution can really benefit is that we can take video to the next level. We are not the only one doing it, but we believe that we are very good at delivering the outcomes that customers need instead of just the technology that customers need. Everybody can put a camera to a camera station. Everybody can review a video on a screen, but how you review it, how you utilize it, what intelligence you can get out of it, and how it can help you operate your daily environment with less people at less cost is what really makes the difference with our solution.
What is happening in the video market in our region?
Maybe you want to take the local first and I can go global?
Absolutely. So it's a little bit of a pivot, and it's pivoting away from we need video coverage or a VMS. It's now pivoting into understanding some of the many scenarios that we could use. Just to add on to what Morton was saying, we have environments here in Australia where we did a project called Project Safeguard, which is very much around suicide prevention. And this is really using video analytics to preempt a very challenging situation that a shopping centre was having. With people committing suicides in car parks. We then have different scenarios where we're seeing automated transportation and logistics, and the video is really driving the capability of creating a bit of robotics and automation in those environments. So it's really amazing that it's the flexibility that I think we're seeing the pivot towards. And what that means is when we're working in any environment, the stakeholders within businesses are broad. It's not just about the security and facility team. It might be about the operation team, the team who is running a factory or a warehouse that needs automation around it. And it's truly understanding that early and then bringing community and technology partnerships together to create solutions that solve those business problems, not just from a security standpoint. That's the big pivot in terms of the business landscape.
You've just covered some of this, but how is AI making an impact on your technology customers and business?
Well, I think we just have to look at what AI in general is doing for our environment at the moment, right? If you look at how generative AI have impacted the way we operate today in our everyday life, this of course also has an impact on how we review and utilize video technology. I think the reality is that it becomes more and more complex, and complexity is helped by AI. So if you are managing thousands of cameras, you want to move from a reactive state into a proactive state, you want to do real-time monitoring, then you need some tools to help you do that monitoring, to filter out, to analyze, to give you the right alerts, to give you the right sense of what is going on. And in a small 1-2 camera state that can be done, but you can imagine that if you have to monitor thousands of camera or feeds, you can't do that without having the same amount of people. So in order to be more effective and to minimize and actually to improve your real-time monitoring capabilities, I think AI plays a big role. AI also has some attributes you need to be super careful about. And one of the things that Milestone is extremely focused about is responsible technology. Responsibility, what we mean with responsible technology is that AI is used in the right way. AI is generating the right outcomes, and we are extremely focused on that as a company, so that we use the good things and we try to do our utmost to prevent that AI becomes a dominator in the way we look at things. We are, as an example, I can say is that our learning platform, our AI learning platform is our own data set, right? So again, we know where the data, we know where the learning is coming from. We have the data on our own. We create an environment of a very responsible, driven AI approach, which is a little bit more careful, but it's something that we stand behind and we know can help our customers in the right way. So that's one of the things we're doing on AI. I think video technology is evolving big time at the moment. It's moving from, as I said before, a repository of video that you use for research and review, reactive, to a more proactive, real-time analyzing and video monitoring in order to actually act faster and act better on the data that is used. I think you will see video becoming a far more utilized as a sensor, meaning that video can be access control, video can be other aspects, not just a stream, but actually utilized more effectively in real-time environments. I think what we are seeing is that our partnerships become even more stronger. We have great partnerships today that are integrating very tightly into our platform. I think that the future of partnerships will be even more important. That's also why we are doubling down in our demo center or in our executive center today. You will see if you come and visit us, you will see that our technology partners are very strongly represented, because we believe that we will not, and we have no ambition to be the master of everything. We want to be the framework, the open platform framework for integrations into Milestone, and therefore we very much want to further fuel our partnership standpoint. And we believe that through partnerships, customers will get the best outcome and the best solutions out there, because we don't know exactly everything about everything, but we believe that in partnership we can bring forward true business value to our customers.
What's on the future for Milestone?
Yeah, I mean, it's a great question, and it's a big question. I mean, obviously, Milestone is an organization that really prides ourselves on our legacy, but we also respect what comes in the future. So there's a lot of very exciting things happening. I guess first and foremost, we need to bring our legacy forward with us and ensure all of our customers reap the rewards of that long history. But in addition, we're seeing some amazing developments. We recently had some business acquisition with Height or Cullis as a business has now rolled into Milestone, which gives us a really amazing cloud capability. We also have BriefCam that's rolled into our business, which gives us some additional AI a little bit more closely to our organization. And we're seeing a trend heading in this direction. So I'll leave, I guess, Morton to talk a little bit more about the global landscape. But here in Australia and New Zealand in particular, as this trend evolves, as this business need evolves, we're getting better and better prepared to service those customer challenges on the fly. And that, coupled with all of those technology partnerships that we've been talking about so far, really gives us best in breed in all of the different environments and domains we're working.
How can potential partners work with you? Are you through the channel, direct, or both, or what?
We are channel.
Okay.
So we are not a direct company. We believe in partnerships. We foster partnerships. We have different levels of partners. We have technology partners who work with us on our technology side to integrate to our platform. We have commercial partnerships where we work together on it could be services or further integration of other platforms that are linked together. It could be access control that are linked into our platform. That often is our partners doing that integration, those additional services. And that's a model we believe in and have always believed in, and we will stay firm to that. And that is also quite important in our strategy going forward. Jordan talked a little bit about that. I can tell you very clearly, my mission is that I want to be and continue to be the leader in VMS, but I also want to go above and beyond security and continue to be the chosen platform for our customers for their future needs. And I think we do that if we look at the portfolio we have today with the #1 VMS platform, #1 analytics platform, and a very, very strong cloud platform. I think bringing those together will give us a very strong position to serve our customers the best. And I also want to be the best place to work, right? I want Milestone to continue to be a place where people come to and strive to be, where we have an environment where we can continue to go out and serve our customers the best. And I believe that we serve customers best when we feel the best ourselves.
Is there anything else you'd like to add while you've got the ear of the iTWire B2B audience?
Well, I want to thank all our partners for the community that we have built. Milestone wouldn't be who Milestone is today without all the great partnerships, without the customers, and without our employees. So that I want to say thank you for the support here locally in this region in Australia. I'm very impressed with what I have seen today, and I look forward to meet all the partners and customers in the next couple of days. But I hope that we can continue to serve the region. I hope I can continue to support further growth. I think we are only scratching the surface of what video technology can do. And I hope that Milestone can continue to lead from the front.